Kebeli ni pi barok ke parlok ke bejupen ikene ke channel na kapor sya kapor. Hakane ke video ngidan ban wanra IP ya kini ki kam ke balany na kebentai kini ki PGT teacher resource person coaches on the PM Shri scheme. Tigino gino ki bekwa ban apply sungupa ban page ya kini ke video na duk besang duk bantukut kerdan pulekan sedang na duk ka kelas 12 pass syaneng na kebentai kini ki post ki balany. Te nada pi don ki jingkeli nga kerpat ya pi pendepet ya kene ke video nang ta pin sala ban keli jingkeli po comment section jong kene ke video ka ban kong hi smo ba pendepet hadu pendekut na ka banta kijing tip ki ba company ka PM Shri School Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya nong Strain West Kasil District ka khot sya kene ka walk in interview na ka banta kene ki contractual post na ka banta ka PGT haki economics but resource person coaches on the PM Shri scheme. Ka walk-in interview na kabanta ka post PGT haka economic kaway ka post conducted by at the PM Shri School Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya West Kasil District nong Strain. Ka tarik jong ke interview kadai arpulai tarik Julai arajar arpnyo kadai ka Thursday kadai ka post kadai haka contractual basis na kabanta ka current academic session 2026 to 2027. Adu ka joining jong ki regular incumbent whichever is earlier. Ka salary kan long sau arajar ars pa san pau na kabanta ka post PGT haka economics. Kerdan pulih beran kam pidai pendap ya ka master degree kon. Lani specialization in concerned subject with 50% marks. Provided the candidate has studied concerned subject at the graduation level. Maka graduation level ke jong piru pidai bensyam ya kene ka post kene ka subject economics. Dia urban pendap ya ka BEd degree na ka NCTE recognized institution university with at least 50% marks or 3 years integrated BEd MEd NCTE recognized institution or university at least 50% marks or 4 year integrated degree with at least 50% marks from NCTE recognized institution including BEd component. Candidates are invited to attend the walk-in interview along with the original document. Pidai ban rai ki original document ki jong pi but one set of photocopies. Pidai urban sirok ya ki document ki jong pi the self-attested tekan mau but don kam rukadur passport size photograph kanam don ka TEDA na kebentai ki candidate ki ban attend sya kene ka interview. Itu kadai ka walk-in interview na kebentai ka post PGT hapo jong kenika economic department. Teman-teman page sakwe pada kata resource person coaches on the PM Shri scheme. Kamu nengkong coach for badminton, volleyball, basketball or chess. Away ke post salary arpo wajar shibnai nakabenta ka san benai minimum 4 session in a week. Ka kerdan pulih pidai ban pendap ya ke BPEd kamali tu dari institution with specialization or coaching experience in the concern sport. Kabar kedai self defense coach trainer for girls kene tangki kan thai bala ban apply. Kene kedan tang kawai ke post salary kedai khat arajar san spa akshi banai na kebenta ka pra banai. Minimum session kedai tang live session haka shitiyo. Class 12 pass rengkan but ka certificate of self defense lani martial arts experience in training in any recognized institute. Nangta ka expert for cultural activities ka post kalong classical dance instructor kawai ke post salary arpsan hajar hak shibnai. Na ka bentakan reu benai minimum 6 session in a week. Deban pendap ya ka graduate diploma akan ke relevant field kabli tu dari institution jong ke India classical folk dance form. Dia ke salary ban honorarium kan long back kinsu kat kum ka PM Shri NVS norms kene ka ki post ki balai ki dei ki contractual part time against PM Shri activities na ka banta ka academic session 2026 to 2027. itu kidai ki kerdan pule ki badan kam na kabenta kene ka post but ka venue na kabenta ke jaka kan long hapo PM Shri School JNV Nongstoin West Khasi Hill District katari kan long arpulai July arajar arpndreo ka badai ka singi Thursday nadu ka khatway beje minstep shaneng kita kan mau bah kini ki interview kin long ha ka arpulai trek July arajar arpndreo ka badai ka singi Thursday nadu ka khatway beje minstep shaneng Tigibdan kijing kali pila ban komen po comment section jong kane ka video ko bless you bon